Hi, cloudy viewers. Hope you're all doing great. Bitcoin will most likely hit 107K, 21 EMA, 111K, 89 EMA for its pullback of the bear rally, then continue its bearish move toward the next support at 86K to 76K targets. It's been some time since Bitcoin made its recent peak around 126,000, and since then it's been under strong bearish pressure. The price has dropped about 22%, and what's interesting is the conflict of interest between whales and retail traders. We can see that whales have been offloading positions while retail traders have been buying the dip, creating a strong divergence in their market behavior. Looking at the ETF charts, the same story continues. Many big players are getting out of ETFs, and we can see large outflows, especially from IBIT, BlackRock's ETF, which has seen significant withdrawals recently. Now, looking at all this, here's where I've positioned myself and how I'm managing my portfolio. I sold my major altcoin spot holdings near 126,000, and when I shared that chart on Twitter, I also mentioned selling Bitcoin around 107,000, right when it broke the first swing low. Since then, I've been 100% in cash, and I've started buying other assets like Nvidia, Tesla, and the SPX. In the recent Fed speech, Chairman Powell said, and I quote, "The economy is in a good place. We will end quantitative tightening by December 1st, 2025. He also reduced interest rates to 4.25% and mentioned, "We are not planning to decrease rates further anytime soon." That's a clear signal that the Fed is trying to support the economy and avoid another 2008 or 2001 scenario, which is ultimately positive for stocks and other equities. That's one of the main reasons I've shifted my portfolio toward that side of the market. Now, is this good for Bitcoin? Technically, yes, but we have to remember, Bitcoin moves in 4-year cycles. It's been repeating the same behavior every cycle. A strong economy and solid fundamentals can help Bitcoin consolidate during a bear rally, but they don't usually help it reach new all-time highs right away. The same thing happened during 2018 to 2019. Bitcoin completed its bull cycle, entered a bear phase, and even though the economy improved later, BTC just moved sideways within a range without breaking previous highs. We're in a similar situation now. Bitcoin might consolidate for a while, possibly heading toward the 86,000 to 70,000 range, but it may not make new highs for some time. Meanwhile, the SPX is likely to continue its upward rally. Right now, it's sitting around its 21-day EMA, and I've added some positions there, expecting the price to move higher, especially after Powell's comments that the economy is in a good place. In the short term, I'm targeting the 6,952 to 7,000 range, and for the long term, I'm looking towards 7,500. That's it for today. Take care of yourself and your loved ones, and I'll see you soon in the next video with another market update.